You how to request and download your TikTok data on this video. Now all of the data can be downloaded and easily accessed on your device. Now to do that, the process is go over to your TikTok application, wait for it to load up, and then go to your profile area, this area right here, and then you click on your menu icon. Then you click on privacy and settings, wait for it to load up. Then you click on account, and next you are going to notice where it says download your data. That is exactly where you need. You click on this. Now before you download your data and start accessing them, you need to actually request the data, and the process, or rather the button to request your data, is going to be here. The reason why it says processing is because I have already requested the data. So when you request the data, if it's available, you are going to see it. Now, if you click on this download data area, you can notice it says the data was requested on the December 9th, 2025. So now you can notice even more information that says when your file is ready for download, it is going to be available for 4 days. It will be submitted and another request, and then your existing file will expire. That is when your request is made, you can download it within 4 days, and it's going to expire if you do not download it, and then you need to make another request. So right now I have made request and it's not yet available. Once it's available, you will be able to download it right here. I'll just click on download, and the download file we are going to be getting, you can notice it says this is going to include the things. This is going to include my account info, the video I uploaded, or other TikTok application that I've accessed, my activities such as like, comment, favorite, watch history, and also direct message that I've sent. And then it is also going to send a file that is going to be in text format. So this is basically just like any other social media backup or data request option, and I've done a video about that. But if you're having issue accessing your device, maybe after downloading the data, please leave it on the comment section and I will make another video explaining that also. But at the same time, thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.